I'm here with Karen Oakman, and we're partners at the Clunen and Oakman law firm in Thousand Oaks. Karen, we've been friends for a while and partners. What do you think makes our firm so special?
I think it's us. When it comes down to it, we work really well together, and I think we knew that being at the same firm before, and we saw that we worked well together, not only on cases, but in general life. I mean, our kids are growing up together, and I think that brings it. I mean, we each have our favorites of types of cases.
Yes, I like the financial cases, and I know you like the custody and the criminal cases because of your background, so I think that does help.
And that we know that if there's any reason we get stuck on a case, we can run to the other one because of their expertise in that area. There's like a yin and yang part of this, that we're not exactly alike, because then we don't need two Katies, we don't need two Karens. We can use one of each.
And sometimes I tell clients you're getting two lawyers for the price of one, because we work and collaborate together on some of our cases.
Yeah, it's definitely made some of the really hard cases go smoother to have the different voices, and especially when dealing with sometimes the difficult opposing counsels, to be able to put a fresh voice in to one another.
Or what about playing bad cop, good cop?
That's always a good time. That it's worked very well, that's for sure. That we can help settle more too because of that.
Yes.
That if we've hit a wall with certain opposing counsels or opposing parties, that fresh voice can make it easier to settle matters when sometimes we otherwise would be stuck.
Yes.
So basically what that means for settling the matter is sometimes you're going back and forth with the opposing counsel or the opposing party, and they've now decided that you are the bad guy because you have been this voice against them the entire case. And sometimes cases start off rough, and then people get to the point of settlement. Sometimes bringing in that fresh face takes down some of those egos that may have developed during the contentious start of cases, and allows for a quicker resolution, which is beneficial to the client, right? The more we can settle, the better it is.
The better it is, yeah. I think it's also helpful that we know a lot of judges between the two of us, that we have experience with judges all throughout Southern California, from Ventura all the way down to San Diego. We have that experience between us, and I think that's
and with
very
opposing
helpful.
counsels, when I hit a new counsel I've never worked with, oftentimes dropping your name, because I know how you run your cases, and it's similar, that they're not going to be like, oh, I can't. They know that I come from a better firm because I work with you. And there's that reputation base that we have too, so they know that they're dealing with quality, not somebody who's just out for billables.
That's true, because I know if we have a case with an associate that we know their boss or their partner is a little bit more contentious and a little bit more of a litigator, we kind of know what we're getting into. So I feel like if one of us mentions each other's names, the other side will know that we are the type that likes to resolve cases out of court, but we're always ready to litigate.
And I also think there's a trustworthy part of it too, that if they have dealt with you or I, they know that we're a law firm they can trust as the other side. So if we say something's going to happen, it's going to happen. While we can't say that for all our opposing counsels, and then you have to do the extra letters and the extra legwork and the extra agreements in writing based on that distrust. And reputation goes far in helping resolve and keep attorney's fees down for our clients.
Definitely. That just came up recently, where opposing counsel took our word that we were going to agree and took a hearing off calendar before we even signed a stipulation. So that definitely goes to our reputation, that other firms do trust us and we keep our word.
Yep.